Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. The murder of Tupac Shakur remains one of the most infamous unsolved crimes in music history. The world was shocked when the news broke, and the mystery surrounding his death has only deepened over the years. Despite numerous investigations and countless theories, the case has never been officially solved, leaving fans and the public yearning for answers. On September 7, 1996, the legendary rapper was gunned down in a drive-by shooting in Las Vegas. He was only 25 years old, and his untimely death sent shockwaves through the music industry and beyond. The night of the shooting, Tupac was leaving a boxing match with his entourage when a white Cadillac pulled up alongside his car and opened fire. The case has captivated the public for decades, fueled by conspiracy theories and a lack of concrete answers. Some believe it was a gang-related hit, while others think it was part of a larger conspiracy involving the music industry or even law enforcement. The lack of definitive evidence has only added to the intrigue, making Tupac's murder one of the most talked-about cases in modern history. Now, almost 30 years later, there is a glimmer of hope for justice. Advances in forensic technology and renewed interest in the case have led to new developments. Investigators are re-examining old evidence and looking into new leads, hoping to finally bring closure to this tragic chapter. Duane "Keffe" D. Davis, a key suspect in the case, is finally facing trial. Davis has long been rumored to have inside knowledge about the events leading up to Tupac's murder. His trial is being closely watched by those who have followed the case for years, as many hope it will shed light on the truth. However, recent developments have added more layers to this already complex case. New testimonies and evidence are emerging, painting a more detailed picture of what might have happened that fateful night. As the trial progresses, the world watches with bated breath, hoping that justice for Tupac Shakur is finally within reach. Duane "Keffe" D. Davis is a former Compton Crip, a gang with a notorious reputation in Los Angeles. His involvement in the criminal underworld has made him a figure of interest in many investigations over the years. He is also the uncle of Orlando Anderson, who was the prime suspect in the murder of the legendary rapper Tupac Shakur. Anderson's name has been synonymous with the case since the tragic event occurred in 1996. Anderson, who died in a shootout in 1998, was always suspected of being the gunman who ended Tupac's life. Despite his death, the mystery surrounding Tupac's murder has never been fully resolved, leaving many questions unanswered. Duane "Keffe" D. Davis has admitted to being in the car with Anderson during the shooting, a revelation that has added layers of complexity to the case. His admissions have been both shocking and pivotal in the ongoing investigation. He even claimed to have provided the murder weapon, a statement that has fueled further speculation and debate. This claim has made him a crucial figure in the narrative of Tupac's murder. However, Davis maintains that he did not pull the trigger, insisting that his role was limited to being an accessory rather than the actual perpetrator. This distinction has been a point of contention in legal circles. Davis's testimony has always been shrouded in controversy, as he has made conflicting statements over the years. These inconsistencies have cast doubt on his credibility, making it difficult for authorities to piece together the true sequence of events. The question remains, is Duane "Keffe" D. Davis a reliable witness or a suspect with his own agenda? Davis's trial was scheduled to begin in March 2025. However, his defense attorneys have requested a delay. They claim to have uncovered new evidence that could exonerate their client. This request has been met with mixed reactions. Some see it as a desperate attempt to buy time, while others believe it could be a genuine breakthrough in the case. New witnesses, new doubts. The courtroom is abuzz with the latest developments in the Davis case. The defense's request for a delay hinges on the emergence of new witnesses. These witnesses have come forward at a crucial time, potentially altering the course of the trial. These witnesses, discovered by a private investigator, claim that Davis was not in Las Vegas on the night of the shooting. The private investigator has been working tirelessly to uncover new evidence that could exonerate Davis. They also allege that he was not present at the scene. This revelation has sent shockwaves through the courtroom, raising questions about the integrity of the initial investigation. These claims, if true, could completely dismantle the prosecution's case. The defense is hopeful that this new testimony will create reasonable doubt in the minds of the jurors. However, the credibility of these witnesses remains to be seen. The court will need to scrutinize their backgrounds and motivations to determine the validity of their statements. The stakes have never been higher. The latest developments in the Tupac Shakur murder trial have reignited hope for a resolution to this decades-old case. The possibility of new witnesses and the potential for finally uncovering the truth is both exciting and daunting. However, the road to justice is rarely straightforward. As the trial unfolds, the world will be watching, hoping that this time, the truth about Tupac Shakur's murder will finally be revealed.